this is Sam at Preacher's Smokehouse. I'm the preacher in the smokehouse. We're here today to share just a recipe with you and share some good days, good times. We hope that you're having a blessed day. Hope everything's going well. And if it's not, look up, because today's the day the Lord's made, and it's going to be a great day. We just got to make the best out of it and do what we can with what we got. But we got a recipe today for you. We're doing a smoked pork chops. Pretty simple. You can pick you up some pork chops at the local grocery store. You can have your butcher cut you some. Thicker the better. It takes a little bit longer to cook them. But temperatures, you hit your temperature a little slower, but it keeps the moisture in, keeps everything soft and tender, and lets that flavor soak in real good. So what we done is we went and we got us some pork steaks today, and we just stopped at the local grocery store and we grabbed us a pack of pork steaks, and we've had them in a brine for a couple hours now, and all that does is start to break down the texture of the meat, opens it up for more of the seasoning, more of the flavor to soak in, to go actually inside the meat, changes the texture just a little bit. We've trimmed about 1/8 inch on our fat, which is pretty good shape. You don't have to do a lot of trimming or anything. You might have some loose ends that you want to cut off. You don't want no stragglers or anything that's going to burn up and not taste good. So we made our brine. We just took some applesauce. We took about a half a gallon of applesauce for these pieces of meat. We do about a half a cup of brown sugar, and then we get us about a 1/4 cup or so of heavy kosher salt. And then your favorite barbecue rub. We make our own rub here, and but you can use whatever's best, whatever you like best. And use about a half a cup of that. Put it in your brine, stir it up real good. Place your meat in it, cover it, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. It don't have to go overnight. Pork's pretty open anyway, so you don't have to do a lot with it. We want to take the excess off on both sides, just pat it dry with a paper towel, and then we want to season these things up real good and get them ready to go on the smoker. Now you're going to run about 250, 275. We want to get the internal temperature up to about 140. Keep them pretty soft that way. It is a well done. It is a finished meat. It's a good temperature. And so as we get the brine, we get them patted down, got them ready. We're going to go ahead and put our rub on. We want to be pretty generous with this. It creates a nice bark on top of the pork, crust if you will, and this is one of my favorite meals. You can throw in some garlic red potatoes with it. You could do some sauteed onions if you like. You can even do some broccoli and cauliflower. I'm not a big vegetable person. I'm a meat eater. We say the smokehouse is a place to gather and eat meat, and so we're a meat eatery. We've got a saying with our restaurant. We say, if it's good, tell everybody you know. If it ain't no good, don't tell a soul. Ain't none of their business. But as you get everything good and covered up real good, get a good seasoning on it, we're going to place these things. This is our old smoker. It's nothing pretty, not fancy at all, but it gets the job done. It takes a lot of heat to get this up to where it needs to go. We run about, like I say, 225, 235. You can run a little hotter if you like. It shortens the cook. You can run up 300 degrees. You're not going to hurt these pork chops any at all. Some things you can't throw the heat to. It just dries them out and makes them tough. But a good pork chop, thicker the better. You're not going to hurt it a bit. So we'll go ahead and open up here. I like to place the pork on some aluminum foil in the grill, in the smoker, so we save the dripping, save the flare-ups, and it holds the moisture in underneath the ribs, keeps them soft and tender for you. So we're going to let that go about an hour and 15, 20 minutes, and then we'll pull the temperature on and see how close we're getting. And so now we wait.
If you are in the Smoky Mountains, be sure to stop by Preacher's Smokehouse for some of the best barbecue around. We're located at 2933 Pittman Center Road. See you soon.
Well, welcome back. We've been about an hour and a half or so, and we're getting ready to pull these chops off the smoker. They've finally got up to temperature, got a good color, got a good look to them. About halfway through, when we were finishing them off, we took us some Montreal steak seasoning. It brings out a good look on them. You can see them good and juicy. Like I say, you can pair this with some garlic red potatoes would be great. Fried potatoes would be wonderful. Got a nice little bit of smoke on that right there. You can see some color on this piece. Should have a great smoky flavor, some tenderness going on. Little temperature. Wow. That steak seasoning just brings out everything, makes the brine pop. Finishes everything out real good. The potatoes, maybe some garlic, a little bit of maybe some grilled cauliflower, broccoli. Go great with this. So we appreciate you tuning in this week. We appreciate you watching what we do. We ask you to click like and share, and keep following our videos. We'll keep producing more. But remember, above all things, God loves you. We love you. We'd like to see you at the Smokehouse, Pittman Center Road, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 11 to 7. Come on out. Got some great barbecue, and we'll have some good conversation. Have a blessed day. Hey, this is Sam from Preacher's Smokehouse. We'd like to introduce you to some friends of ours. Randy Ogle is Blue Ridge Leather, and these are some of his custom things that he makes. He makes wallets. He can put your name on them. This is a journal, daily journal. If you do that, he makes a Bible cover as well, and calendars. And he is a sponsor of Cooking with Preacher. So we just wanted to let you know about him and get his information out to you if you have a need for a special gift. Thank you so much. We just want to come to you for a minute, mention some friends of ours. They've been helping us with the cooking videos and doing the media for us and the production. And man, we're thankful because I've tried it myself, and I'm no video producer. So if you ever have a need for that kind of media and for that kind of help, we want to send you over to Right Angle Technologies. All the information will be listed below. They do a great job, timely manner, and they'll take care of you the best they can. So if you ever have that need, Right Angle Technologies. Thank you.